This week in phonics, we're going to focus on long E and short E patterns. Let's look at our sound card. We see a picture of an eagle, eagle. E, the long E sound, when it says its name, can be represented with a few different letters patterns. Just E, E, consonant E, double E, E-A. Sometimes Y and I-E or E-Y can also make this sound. This week we're going to focus on some long E patterns that are represented here with these words. Let's read them. These. I notice that they're using this pattern from the sound card. Team. E-A says E in team. Wheel. Wheel. E-E, like we see here. She, just E, saying the long E sound. We also are familiar with short E patterns, like elephant and head can also make the short E sounds sometimes as well. We see here team has the long E pattern, and it's also sometimes can make the short E sound as well, like in head.